I match the viewer settings of the signal.
테러범의 단서를 쫓는 FBI 투표 수사팀.
Alright, dazzle me.
과거를 볼 수 있는 최첨단 기술로 테러 사건의 결정적인 키가 될 여성을 훑어봅니다.
We triangulate from 4 satellites, pick up the heat signal, and reconstruct. Basically, we can walk through walls.
Claire Kutcher. Did you know her?
불과 4일 전 테러 폭발 현장에서 발견된 그녀의 시신을 확인했었다. ATF 요원 더그 칼린.
Can you rotate the view, see what she's looking at?
Yeah.
5550118. Somebody got that?
Yep.
4일 전의 데이터라고 믿기지 않을 정도의 생동감 있는 표정과 행동들은
Can you follow her? No problem.
마치 현 시간에도 그녀가 존재하는 듯 느껴집니다.
Gunners. Yeah. You back?
Sorry.
All right. What's on the other side of that wall?
Kitchen.
Let's take a look.
Hello? Hello?
누군가를 감지한 듯한 그녀는
Maybe there's someone out there. Maybe there's a stalker.
Someone there?
자신을 지켜보는 듯한 알 수 없는 존재에게
Hey, Ginger.
겁에 질려 있습니다.
Does she know I'm here? Does she know we're here?
Impossible, strictly one way.
Hello?
다른 시공간에 존재하는 이들을
Who's watching her?
그녀는 감지하고 있습니다.
We are.
덴젤 워싱턴 형님의 지리는 명작 영화
Hello?
데자뷰 지금 시작합니다. 미국 최대 규모의 뉴올리언스 마디그다 축제에 수많은 사람들을 태운 크루즈가 항해를 시작하는데 어느 트럭에서 울려 퍼지는 음악 소리. 키가 꽂힌 채 문이 잠겨있고 게다가 번호판이 없습니다. 트렁크에 실린 무언가를 확인하던 그 순간 폭발 테러 사건으로 인해 500여 명의 사상자가 발생하게 되고 ATF 요원 더그 칼린이 현장에 도착합니다. 참담한 현장을 목격한 그는 단번에 직감합니다. 이 폭파의 원인은 천재지변이 아닌 누군가의 테러란 것을.
Call New Orleans PD. I want all surveillance from the Algiers dock. Then call City Transit, Crescent City Bridge surveillance, westbound between 10 and 11.
All right, got it.
폭발 상황을 볼 수 있는 전망이 좋은 다리 위, 즉 범죄자의 시선으로 추리에 들어갑니다.
Seen an ATF agent around here?
Yeah, he went down below.
Paul Praswara, FBI.
What are you looking for?
Anything that doesn't belong.
철근에 묻은 검은 이물질은 연소가 잘 되는 폭약 성분입니다.
Ampho. Between the river and the rain, if Ampho was used, the only place you'd find it would be
Underneath this bridge.
That's right.
테러 사건이 확실한 폭약 성분을 알아냈고 이젠 테러범을 찾아내는 단계로 들어가죠.
See anything?
Traffic? Say that girl ever get a hold of you?
What girl?
You know, sexy voice, asked if you were tall, dark, and handsome. I gave her 2 out of 3.
2 out of 3. That's very good. Hit play.
Thank you.
자신의 인상착의를 물어본 여자에게 전화를 겁니다. 그 순간
Hold it right there.
다리 위에 멈춰선 오토바이.
Yeah, this is ATF agent Doug Carlin returning your call. My cell number is 504-555-0130. What's that? Run it forward a little bit.
폭발 3분 전
Stop right there.
크루즈를 주시하던 수상한 남자.
What is he doing?
용의자 1순위죠.
What time does it say?
10:47?
That's before the explosion, isn't it?
Right before.
곧바로 시신들의 신원을 확인하던 더그는 30%쯤 불에 탄 미스테리한 시신 확인을 요청받게 됩니다.
Well, exactly what time did this woman wash up on shore?
10:42 a.m.
폭발 발생 시간은 11시 50분, 시간차 오류가 있는 듯 했지만
You mean 11:42, don't you?
No, I mean 10:42. I got the sheet right in front of me.
테러 발생 1시간 전의 시신이라면 또 다른 살인 사건입니다.
Immediately evident is the focal charring of the limbs and torso.
살인범에게 저항한 듯 귀걸이 한쪽이 사라져 있고 심지어 내 손가락이 잘려져 있습니다. 게다가 온몸에는 연료가 묻어 있었죠.
Diesel.
폭발 희생자로 위장하려 했던 살인범이 한두 시간 전에 디젤로 태운 계획적인 살인입니다.
What are you doing?
자외선 탐지기를 입가에 갖다 대자
You see that?
청테이프의 흔적과 테러범들이 잘 쓰는 PETM 폭약 성분이 묻어 있습니다.
Yeah, go ahead.
I ran down those NPRs for you. Claire Kutcher.
폭발 사건의 테러범과 여자를 죽인 살인범은 동일 인물이라 추리한 더그는 그녀의 집을 조사합니다. 집안에 들어서자 그의 눈에 들어온 의미심장한 문구, 그리고 싱크대 속에는 피가 묻은 티셔츠와 바닥에 묻은 핏자국들. 곧바로 녹음된 메시지를 확인해봅니다.
Tuesday, 9:44 a.m.
Claire? Are you there? You said you were going to call me when you got home.
Beth, is this a joke?
No, like I said, I was just worried about you, that's all.
I can't talk right now. Someone's here. I'll call you later.
누군가와 함께 있다며 다급히 끊는 클레어.
Tuesday, 1:18 p.m.
Yeah, this is ATF agent Doug Carlin returning your call.
놀랍게도 자신의 목소리가 녹음돼 있습니다.
Say, that girl ever get a hold of you?
What girl?
이날 오후 동료에게 자신의 인상착의를 물어봤던 의문의 여자가 바로 클레어였죠. 폭발 사건과 관련된 그녀가 이 사건의 열쇠가 될 것인 걸 추리했고 곧바로 FBI에 협조합니다.
Agent McCready?
Yeah.
A young woman who washed up off the Poland Wharf. Her name is Claire Kuchever. She died before the explosion. She washed up before the explosion and against the tide.
폭발 테러범이 한두 시간 전에 살해한 그녀가 이 사건의 열쇠가 될 것이라 말하죠.
You solve her case, you solve this case.
Why this woman?
Her SUV is missing. Tan and red Bronco could have been stolen to drive the bomb to the ferry.
FBI보다 한 발 앞서 폭발 차량을 선별해낸 놀라운 능력.
We'll look into it.
Okay.
협조를 끝내고 돌아가는데 파트너 레디의 차가 눈에 들어옵니다.
Where's Larry?
What?
Larry Minuti, my partner. That's his car right there. Is he here?
Those cars are brought here from the Algiers ferry parking lot. They're the vehicles that belonged to the victims.
폭발 현장에서 죽었다는 믿기 힘든 말.
You like them?
Smart.
Let's go find them.
사건 추리 능력이 탁월하고 어떤 단서를 집중 추적할지 판단해줄 더그를 자신의 팀으로 합류시키려 합니다.
Doug, I've been put in charge of a newly formed investigative unit. The ferry disaster is our first case, and I want you on the team. You want to find the guy who killed Minuti, don't you?
Yes, I do.
그를 따라온 비밀 장소에 수많은 기술자들과 최첨단 장비들이 질비해 있고 그와 같은 팀원들은 정체구 소속의 엘리트 박사들입니다.
Solid stream minus 4 days, 6 hours, 3 minutes, 45 seconds.
14.5 nanoseconds.
Okay.
테러본 추적이 시작됩니다.
Anytime you want to jump in here, be my guest.
Me?
빠른 앵글 변화와 여러 각도로 볼 수 있는 놀라운 기술력.
When was this taken?
4.5 days ago.
Gunner, try the guy with the backpack.
테러본 같은 몽타주를 관찰합니다.
Oh, that's tender. Okay, let's cruise the breezeway.
How can you change the angle on footage taken 4.5 days ago?
It's a brand new program. It's called Snow White. Our primary data comes from 7 orbiting satellites, but at any given time, as many as 4 are surveilling one area. It's like having multiple eyewitnesses, each with their own vantage point.
수상한 눈빛 교환.
Why do you got to look at 4 days ago? Why don't you just fast forward it to the day of the explosion?
You have to wait. It takes 4.5 days to render this single fluid shot. The only thing that matters, we have exactly one look at any one time.
Yeah, we can't go back 10 minutes, you know?
Can't look back and see if there was a second gunman.
시간을 앞뒤로 돌릴 수 없고 단 4일 전 6시간만 볼 수 있지만 긍정적인 한 가지는 녹화를 할 수 있습니다.
Okay. So 4 days from, well, actually 3 days from now, since it's after midnight, you'll be able to look back.
No, you got it. The only thing is you need to tell us where to look, because, we can miss it.
So, Agent Carlin, where do we look?
Claire Kuchever's house.
Address is in range.
앵글 속도가 빠르고 오디오까지 전송되며 심지어 벽까지 뚫을 수 있는 기술력이 놀라울 따름입니다. 4일 전의 데이터라고는 믿기지 않을 정도의 생동감 있는 표정과 행동들은 실시간으로 그녀를 지켜보는 것만 같았죠.
Yeah. What?
At that house you found, female murder victim, Claire?
Right. What do you got?
Man, when did you completely forget how to investigate a crime scene?
What do you mean?
This place is lousy with your fingerprints. They're all over the place.
분명 장갑을 끼고 물건들을 만졌는데 지문이 묻어있는 미스테리한 상황.
Okay, I get it.
지문은 둘째치고 지금 당장 확인하고 싶은 건 4일 전 죽은 그녀의 생존 여부입니다.
Anybody there? Anybody brushing their teeth?
No, just a couple agents.
Okay, I get the picture. Talk to you later.
You satisfied?
범인을 추적하기 위해선 클레어의 일상을 관찰하며 어떤 변화가 생기는지 지켜봅니다.
Hey, Beth.
Claire, that guy I've been telling you about really wants to meet you.
Okay. Tell him I'll meet him Monday night.
Who? Him who? Show me the book.
Monday works.
Can we go back?
It's a constant stream. There's no rewind, no second chances.
Hello?
그녀를 관찰하던 중 더구는 의문이 듭니다.
Does she know I'm here? Does she know we're here?
Impossible, strictly one way.
Hello?
Just check the perimeter.
자신들의 존재를 감지한 듯한 그녀의 반응 때문이었죠.
Nobody.
Who's watching her?
We are.
알 수 없는 존재를 감지하던 그녀는 두려움에 떨고 있습니다.
guys singing? You singing a love song? Huh?
처음엔 그녀를 바라보던 더그의 눈빛은 동정과 애잔함이었지만
Yeah, it's been a while.
그녀를 관찰할수록 강렬한 이끌림을 느끼고 있었죠.
Addresses and range.
Hey, are you the lady with the Bronco for sale?
That's him.
Call up the phone list. Let's see if this number we've tracked.
폭탄을 실을 트럭이 필요했던 범인이 클레어에게 접근을 시도합니다.
I'm what you could call a real motivated buyer.
I bet you are.
So where can I come by and see it?
Don't tell him.
I'm at 827 King Oak in the French Quarter.
Now he knows where she lives.
Got it. 504-555-0147.
Shanti, I want to see this guy.
No good. It's outdoor phone booth. 3 miles out of range.
감청권을 벗어난 반경 4.8km 밖은 볼 수가 없습니다.
Now we heard the voice of our bomber, and now we're going to go after him the old-fashioned way.
범인이 사용했던 공중전화 박스를 비춘 것은 길 건너 현금 인출기 카메라뿐입니다.
All right, let's fast forward to the exact time of this phone call with Claire.
Not enough for an ID.
Wait, go back. Can you rewind it just a little bit? Stop. What is that on the ground? We have facial recognition software?
Yeah.
폭발 전 48시간 동안 이 도시에 있었던 모든 가방과 대조를 시작하자 곧이어
Look, same bag.
Bingo.
범인이 찍힌 카메라를 찾아냈습니다.
Security camera at the Algiers ferry dock.
When is this? 2 nights before the explosion. 7 hours from now.
2 nights before the explosion is 7 hours from now.
7 hours from now, we will be able to access this point in our time window.
지금 이 순간에도 그녀가 살아있는 것만 같았고 말도 안 되는 기술력에 의구심을 갖는 더그. 그리고 이들은 무언가를 숨기는 듯 보였죠.
Okay.
자신의 직감대로 테스트를 해보는데 그녀가 불빛에 반응합니다.
Give it a second. It's rebooting. It's coming back.
Something broached the field.
That broached the field right there. That broached the field right there. Now, you want to tell me what the hell this thing is? It's not surveillance, Paul. It's not electronic thermal imaging. You guys have figured out a way to look into the past. Explain that to me.
Found a way to fold space back onto itself.
Okay.
We're used to viewing space as flat, right? Like this piece of paper. To see something from a distance, light has always had to travel the long way across the flat space in between. But given what I was trying to explain, we could fold the space, bring the target closer to us, and bridge, otherwise known as a wormhole, suspend it via gravitational field.
Basically, we're folding space in a higher dimension to create an instantaneous link between 2 distant points.
In a sense, we're always looking in the past.
The actual past.
Yes.
Is she alive or is she dead?
She's alive.
Light could go back. What else?
Nothing.
Something what? A body? A human being?
No.
Why not?
An EM pulse annihilates all electrical activity. That's your heartbeat, that's brain waves, that's everything.
What about a radio signal?
Field would scramble it.
Warning note, a single piece of paper, one shit.
Keep the mass low.
How do we do that
No,
exactly?
send it to ourselves. Send it to me.
You cannot change the past. It's physically impossible.
What if it's more than physics?
이론적으로는 가능하지만 한 번도 시도하지 않았던 타임머신을 실행해봅니다.
Right, and I recognize my own handwriting and the universe blows up.
We're ready.
There are protocols. Yeah, you are.
Yeah, right.
That's your desk?
Yeah, that's...
Line us up.
I'm about to leave.
이날은 레리와 다툰 뒤 사무실로 돌아오지 않았었고
What the hell happened?
I don't know.
There it is.
It went through.
No, wait a minute. Hang on. It ain't great yet. I don't come back.
자신에게 보낸 쪽지를 레리가 발견하게 되죠.
Put it down, Larry.
테러범의 위치를 확인한 레리는 곧장 부두로 향합니다.
Follow him.
I'm on him.
Bomber's on his way to the dock. He's due there any minute. We'll come back to the when he gets there.
That's him.
There he is. All right. That's him. See if you can get an ID, facial ID on him.
That's your partner.
I see him.
Where's Manuti?
4일 전 폭발 현장에서 발견된 넬리의 차는 테러범을 쫓다가 발생된 불상사였죠.
He's still breathing.
동료의 죽음을 지켜볼 수밖에 없는 더그.
What can we do?
I don't know what to do.
He's traveling east. He's traveling out of range.
I don't know, but if we don't do something fast, I'm gonna lose this guy.
Okay, what can we do? Anything?
We're losing the signal. We need to chase him with the goggle rig.
고글은 감청권 외곽의 데이터를 수집할 수 있습니다. 지금부터 자신의 직감을 믿고 쫓아가야 합니다.
Carlin.
Where is he now?
He's going east, going up on De Gaulle.
고글을 키자 사회전 과거가 연결됩니다.
Okay, you're live.
He's gone.
Where's he headed?
He's headed toward the I-10.
East or west?
We lost the signal. We're blind in here.
Oh, shit! This is tripping.
We're seeing what you're seeing 4 days in the past.
Okay, I got him. He's going west, not east, on the Crescent City Bridge.
I got it.
Doug, what's happening?
Doug, you gotta stay with him. You're gonna lose him again.
I lost him. I got him.
All right.
That's him. He's headed for the 10 to the bayou.
I can see him. He's right in front of me.
What the hell was that?
Doug?
Thing is broken. I can't see anything.
You're still transmitting.
You can see?
Give us a 360 with the goggle rig.
There he is. Which way?
He's taking the road to the bayou.
See him? You still see him?
He's at the end of the bridge.
He took the exit ramp beneath you.
All right, I'm on the off ramp.
All right, take another right.
Still see him?
Take it easy, Doug. He's dead ahead of you.
Okay.
He's slowing down, coming to a fence. Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
We're gonna leave the Hummer and take the backpack. It's the power source for the rig.
Pulled around the back of the building.
It's like a bomb went off.
Really? We see an intact structure here.
Looks like a vehicle's inside. An ambulance. You see that?
No, nothing.
See anything?
He's dead ahead of you.
Where?
All right, now pan to the right.
Doug is pulling Minuti out of the car.
All right.
Do you see him?
Yes, right in front of you.
Larry.
He's being dragged on the concrete.
검게 그을린 바닥의 형체.
What's that sound? What's the sound?
Accelerant over Agent Minuti.
레리가 태워진 흔적입니다.
Waking up.
Brace yourselves. I think you're about to witness a murder.
메모를 보내지 않았다면 레리는 살아 있었을까요?
If we hadn't sent him there, he wouldn't be dead now.
No, he was already dead from the ferry. We just changed how he died.
Can't change anything. We didn't change anything. That's what I've been trying to tell you.
Tell you what we did.
테러범은 훔친 트럭에 폭탄을 실을 계획이었지만 레리가 쏜 총알 때문에 차창에 구멍이 생겼고 급하게 차를 구하려 했던 것이 클레어의 트럭이었죠.
Yeah, we changed one thing, but by changing one thing, we didn't change anything.
그 시각 ATF에서 테러범의 신상을 알아냈습니다.
Carol Orstott, 5874 Mully Ave, 9th Ward, New Orleans.
집안에는 테러를 계획한 증거들이 질비해 있습니다.
ATF New Orleans conducting interview with Carol Orstott. You waive your right to counsel, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm fascinated with your precision. It's done very often. We see that level of expertise around here. Why would you use explosives against the
U.S. government.
U.S. government?
군인이 되고 싶었던 테러범은 해병과 육군에 지원했지만 편집증 판정을 받은 그에게는 애국할 기회조차 주질 않았고 그렇게 테러를 감행하게 된 것입니다.
You killed 543 people. How do you feel about that?
Sometimes a little human collateral is a cost to freedom.
I think that you were a murderer right from the beginning.
We got him. We're shutting you down.
What?
감식과 용의자 자백까지 모든 증거가 합보되자 수사를 종결짓습니다.
What about Claire?
But, I don't give a rat's ass what you can accept.
클레어 살해건으로 기소하게 되면 백설공주가 노출되기에 테러 및 요원 살해죄로만 기소할 수 있습니다.
In 12 hours, he's gonna kill her.
He killed her 4 days ago.
공식적인 수사가 종료됩니다.
It had to happen.
12시간 뒤 죽게 될 과거의 클레어가 지금 이 순간에도 살아 숨쉬고 있다는 것이 애련하게 느껴집니다. 그 순간 문득 떠오른 냉장고의 문구. 이문구는 분명 미래의 자신이 전하는 메시지를 생각한 더그. 그녀를 살리기 위해 타임머신을 감행합니다.
Denny, it's Doug.
I can't say I wasn't expecting this call. You know what happens if you try this.
Both know what happens if I don't. Can you help me?
I'll see you when you get here.
Do me a favor. When you finish, turn off the lights.
Can't take it. Gotta keep the mask as low as possible. You gotta take everything off. You can keep your underwear on.
Thank you very much.
You don't have to do this.
What if I already have?
그녀를 살릴 수 있다는 문구에 처음이 아닌 것을 확신했죠.
Here we go.
What the hell?
Reserve generator should kick in.
Doctor!
Where'd he come from?
This is weird.
Where? Deacon!
Clear!
의식이 돌아온 더그. 시간이 촉박합니다. 폭발이 발생하기 2시간쯤 그녀는 테러범에게 살해당했습니다.
Federal agent, I need your keys.
There's keys in the truck there.
Federal officials are still baffled by the massive blackout that darkened the entire eastern half of the country early this morning.
그 시각 테러범의 은신처에서 불에 타기 일보 직전의 상황에 놓인 클레어. 그녀의 네 손가락이 잘렸던 이유는 놈의 피가 묻어서였죠. 클레어를 살려내며 몇 시간의 과거를 바꿨습니다.
Claire, I'm a federal agent.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'm a federal agent.
He's safe. He's gone. All right?
I'm gonna get you out of here, okay?
He's a terrorist?
Yeah, planning on blowing up the Canal Street ferry today at 10:50.
So we're going to the police.
Nah, it's too complicated. I gotta make it. I only got an hour and 40 minutes to catch up to this guy.
우선 총상을 치료하기 위해 그녀의 집으로 온 더그는 과거의 자신에게 메시지를 남깁니다. 그녀의 집에서 발견됐던 피 묻은 옷가지와 바닥의 핏자국은 자신의 것이었죠.
You shouldn't wear that.
What?
테러 발생 당일 그녀가 입었던 옷입니다.
The victim wore a dress like that and it wouldn't be good.
Okay.
그런데 조금 뒤
Stop right there! Don't move! You didn't ask me any questions. You didn't take a statement.
집 주소도 알고 옷장 속 전단체 옷을 꺼내는 더그가 의심스러운 클레어.
Who are you?
Doug Carlin. I'm an ATF agent.
더그의 말이 사실인지 ATF에 확인해 봅니다.
ATF New Orleans, Agent Donnelly.
There's an Agent Douglas Carlin working out of that branch.
Yes, there is, but he's not here right now.
Can you describe him for me, please? How tall, skin color?
6'3", black, not bad looking.
Have him call me back at 877-504-8423.
Hello?
Are you gonna tell me the truth? Are you gonna tell me why you're here, why this is happening?
What if you had to tell someone the most important thing in the world, but you knew they'd never believe you? What would you do?
I try. You never know what someone might believe. I don't understand what's How do you know that? I mean, how'd you know those things about me?
For the sake of argument, let's just say that the government has a special device that allows me to know what's going to happen ahead of time.
Is that okay?
That's great.
피를 닦았던 손뭉치들 과거의 상황들과 동일하게 흘러가고 있습니다.
What's the matter?
이대로 간다면
Jesus.
결과는 똑같습니다.
This place is lousy with your fingerprints. They're all over the place.
Haven't changed a thing. I gotta go.
곧이어 전화벨이 울리고
Wait. Don't answer it.
미래에서 온 것을 증명하는 더그.
Don't answer it. I'll prove it to you. That's your friend Beth calling. When you didn't call me last night, I got worried.
Claire, you said you were going to call me when you got home, and when you didn't, I started to get worried.
Beth, is this a joke?
No, like I said, I was just worried about you.
I
That's
can't
all.
talk right now. Someone's here. I'll call you later.
Claire.
테러 발생 시간이 얼마 남지 않았습니다. 그녀의 차를 찾아 폭탄을 제거해야 됩니다.
There's my truck.
시한폭탄을 설치한 뒤 빠져나간 테러범이 보입니다.
Here he is.
Where?
In a military jacket, coming this way. See those officers behind you?
Yeah.
When the ferry pulls off, I want you to tell them about the bomb, all right? Be careful.
현장을 떠나려 하는 찰나 자신의 차를 발견했고 더그가 살아있음을 알게 되죠.
Sir, passengers aren't allowed here.
Okay.
다시 돌아온 테러범을 발견한 클레어, 더그에게 이 사실을 알려야 합니다. 다리 위에 범인이 있어야 할 시간인데 보이지 않습니다. 잘못된 상황을 직감한 더그. 6분 안에 폭탄을 제거하지 못한다면 과거의 비극은 또다시 재현될 것입니다.
Excuse me, sir. No passengers allowed, sir.
시동을 켜놓으라 지시합니다.
Destiny, Orstat. What did you say? I'm coming out.
투하하는 척 메소드 연기를 시작하는 더그.
What did you say? I thought you were a patriot.
Oh, I am.
Patriotism requires sacrifice.
I'm willing to sacrifice.
You're willing to sacrifice others, but not yourself. Who are you, Orstat?
It's not supposed to be this way.
테러범은 죽였지만 시한폭탄은 멈추지 않고 있습니다. 고작 2분밖에 남지 않은 상황.
No, we're not. Hit the gas.
Put your hands in the air and step out of the vehicle now!
We get out now. Everybody dies. Hit it.
크루즈에 탑승한 승객들과 클레어를 살리며 과거를 바꾸었지만 미래에서 온 자신은 과거에서 죽음을 맞게 됩니다.
Now, someone's on the way over to take a statement and ask you some questions, okay?
조금 뒤 모습을 드러낸 수사관은 더그입니다.
Doug. How you doing? All right. Got a live one over here. Pulled her out of the drink. Somehow involved in all this.
How you doing? That's right.
더그를 다시 보게 돼 기쁩니다.
Have we met?
Yeah. Yeah, we have.
It's okay. Come on. You okay?
Yeah.
처음 본 그녀에게 익숙함이 느껴지는 더그.
Doug, what if you had to tell someone the most important thing in the world, but you knew they'd never believe you?
I tried.
지금 이 순간이 데자뷰를 느껴집니다. 명작 제조기 덴젤 워싱턴 형님의 데자뷰 강추합니다.